Hi, and welcome back to my channel, Key to the World. Now normally it's me and my face in the intro, but on this early morning you will have to do without it. Because today I'm taking you along to some amazing organizations that really affected my experience of staying in Hoi An in such a positive way. So we are going to start off with Hoi An Kayak Tours, who organize a river cleanup every Saturday at 7:30 in the morning. And since we had to wake up super early anyways, we thought why not explore the old town at sunrise, and I would definitely recommend you to do the same. We had the old town almost completely to ourselves with just some of the locals starting off their day. We grabbed a quick breakfast and off we go to the cleanup. The cleanup happens somewhere else every week, but this week it was time to head out with the kayaks again to clean up at one of the islands in the river. And the islands were my favorite spot to do the cleanups, because you get to see the beautiful environment first and have fun kayaking. Also, once you are on that kayak and start with the cleanup, you are glad it started that early, because you can beat the heat for the most part, because let me tell you, it can get hot in Hoi An. If you've seen my beach vlog, you know that trash is a big problem over here, and via the river it obviously reaches the sea as well, so these cleanups are super important. Now there's always a happy group of volunteers really making it a team effort and a great way to meet some cool people. Some are there every week, but there were always new faces as well. The owner of Hoi An Kayak Tours, Long, started this beautiful initiative of cleaning the river, and slowly but steady people kept on joining, and now there's a solid team every week to help out. If you want to join yourself, reach out to them. I listed all the contact information down below. And besides the cleanup, they also have some super fun tours like kayak and cycling tours. So if you're not visiting on a Saturday or don't feel like waking up that early, definitely make sure to book a tour with them. Alright, on to the next place. When I was looking for an alternative for plastic water bottles, I stumbled upon Hoi An Eco Hub. I found out I could refill my glass bottle here with filtered water. Not fully a solution to my problem, because going here with my half-liter bottle every time I would empty my bottle would be a bit much. But I found out they do a lot more. Essentially, it's a garden where they have educational programs, for instance for schools, about sustainability in different forms. Now what they also made was compost, and this came in handy, because of course when you are in Vietnam you cannot miss out on all of the delicious fruits, and I ate a lot. So this was a really good place to bring my food waste for compost. Everybody working there was also really warm and kind, happily informing you about what they do. The Eco Hub now has moved to a different location than I just showed you, and the process of moving was happening at the end of my stay, so I didn't get to fully visit the other place, but I did quickly get there to show you guys. Now as you can see, it's a really spacious place, beautifully located, so definitely make sure to check it out or bring your food waste here as well. The next organization I want to talk about is Not Just Plastic. As I told you guys, I couldn't really find an alternative for using plastic bottles, but I didn't want them to go to waste completely, and that's how I found out about Not Just Plastic. After reaching out on Instagram, I got in contact with Franz, who started this company. He gives plastic waste a second life, turning them into new products. With our collected plastics, we went to his workplace where he showed us around and where we got to learn more about how to separate the different types of plastics. It's so cool how he works together with different cafes and restaurants in the old town, collecting their plastic waste, and even does programs at school where the kids collect and bring their plastic waste and learn about sustainability. He invited us also to join on these ventures, which was such a cool experience. Make sure to check out his story on his website, listed down below in the description, and also make sure to check out his products available in different stores around Hoi An. The details are in the description as well. Now for the last bit of this video, I wanted to quickly mention the store Refillables. We found out about this store a bit too late, but they have all sorts of sustainable products, including foods. And they also have a little second-hand shop upstairs. Alright, now this concludes this week's video. I make all sorts of videos about my experiences abroad, so definitely make sure to like, comment and subscribe so you don't miss my new video. And I hope to see you guys again next Monday.